For demonstration, here we have 19 stitches on my needle, 12 stitches, multiple of pattern. Here we make a pattern of 12 stitches plus 5 extra stitches 17 and plus 2 edge stitches 19. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip pinch, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over to front, purl 2, 1, 2, purl 3 together, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn over to front. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 5, yarn over, purl 2, purl 3 together, purl 2, yarn over. This is 12 stitches pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 6 stitches, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit edge from right side. First row is completed now. Second row wrong side. In this row purl these all stitches till the end of row. Second row and every wrong side rows we make same, purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip pinch, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn in back, knit 1, yarn over to front, purl 1, purl 3 together, purl 1, yarn over to back, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 5, knit 1, yarn over, purl 1, purl 3 together, purl 1, yarn over, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? And here we have last 6 stitches, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit edge from right side. Third row is completed now. Fourth row wrong side. Purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Now this is fifth row right side. Slip pinch, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn in back, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over to front, purl 3 together, yarn over to back, knit 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 5, knit 2, yarn over, purl 3 together, yarn over, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? And here we have last 6 stitches, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit edge from right side. Fifth row is completed now. Sixth row wrong side. Purl these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. 7 row right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Pull 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn in back. Knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 5, knit 7. Again we repeat this pattern. How many do have? Here we have last 6. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit edge from right side. 7 row is complete. Now 8 row wrong side. Pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. 8 row is completed and our pattern is also completed. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 8 rows, and after repetition of 8 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, girls top, baby sweater. So friend, if you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.